You should never use an indoor sump pump pit for an outdoor yard drainage situation. When you're working on yard drainage, the volumes of water are quite different when you're covering large pieces of property. Now in the middle there you see that's a residential indoor sump pump basin. It's really small, doesn't have very much volume, doesn't hold a lot. And the worst part, here in the north, we're in Michigan, that freezes up. When a sump pump pit freezes up and you have a thaw, your yard water problem becomes a real issue to your structures. It becomes a real liability to your property. Now, to the left I have a sump pump basin vertical, so you can see that one is a 60-inch. That'll be below the frost. It will not freeze. I also drove a piece of equipment up to this basin just to show you its strength. And you can see the tracks are off the ground. I'm applying a lot of down pressure to this basin. The material is a 1/4 inch thick. It's built of a non-corrosive, no break, high density polyethylene. It is the strongest sump pump basin on the market. You can see the ribs. That's for strength. That's part of the engineering. That's the design. Now, take a look at those two sump pump basins. What the competition is using, what you see all the time on YouTube from drainage contractors in Florida and North Carolina. And they're charging you a lot of money for these systems. To have a good drainage system put in with good materials, yes, it is going to cost you a few dollars. But when these guys come with a basin that's bought at one of the hardware stores for $30 or $40, and they're charging you hundreds of thousands of dollars for a system, it just goes to show you they're trying to take as much money out of the job as far as materials given to you, the homeowner, so that their net profit is ridiculous. Now, if I take that residential basin in the middle and I drive up to it with one of my machines and put down pressure on it, it crushes just like a thin water bottle. It's a joke. There's no comparison. Again, here in the north, we need the depth so they don't freeze. I mean, there is just no comparison. I could crush it for you, but why bother? I bought it for this video. I'm never going to use it. For yard drainage, for sump pump basin for yard drainage, go with a 60-inch deep, 1/4 inch thick wall, something built for the application, where quality and materials matter. Give us a call.